Hi everybody, I'm Matty Matheson with Hellmann's. A few months ago, I shared a very personal message with you all about my love for this mayo right here. You all really wanted to duke it out in the comments. I'm gonna read a couple of these, aren't I? Is just anyone who prepares food a chef now? I got 13 restaurants. The best, most expensive ingredients in my kitchen today for a good reason. We need the best ingredients. Hellmann's mayonnaise is one of them. The creaminess, the consistency, the texture, the balance, the blendability. Are you kidding me? I've seen in your kitchen, BB. These get me hot. This is triggering. Who the are you? Okay, let me talk to you about this real quick. In my house and in my restaurants, Hellmann's all day, every day. There's only one mayonnaise. I don't think you've seen in my kitchen, BB. Hellmann's! There's only one true mayo to rule them all. That's this right here, baby. Comment below and you might be hearing from me.